How to set up alerts in Facebook Marketplace. So what we'll simply do is open our Facebook and we can click on our menu, which is on bottom right corner. And after clicking on our menu, we will see a lot of option there where we can see Marketplace. If you don't see your Marketplace, you can simply click on see more and you'll be able to see your Marketplace option. Then you can click on it, and after that you can click on human option, which is on upper right area, and you can click on that, and here you will get to see an option of setting here. So you can simply click on that and you will get an option of notification. So you can simply click on that option, and here you will get a lot of options here, like messages from sellers, updates, saved chat, saved searches, recommended for you, and others options as well, like messages from buyers and tips for sellers. So you can simply click on the update option, and here you will get a lot of notifications option. You can simply turn on or turn off the options notification option that you want to. So you can simply turn on the option that you want to and turn off the option that you want to turn off. So yeah, that is how to set up alerts in Facebook Marketplace by turning on and off of this notification itself.